Hello everyone, today we are going to learn two new words, that is behind and in front of. Behind means पीछे, in front of means आगे. So in this picture you can see the sun which is hiding behind the cloud, and in front of cloud you can see the rainbow. Sun जो कि clouds के पीछे है, that is behind, और rainbow जो कि cloud के आगे है, that is in front of. In the next picture you can see the Christmas tree is placed behind the sofa and the table is placed in front of sofa. So Christmas tree जो कि सोफा के पीछे है, that is behind, and table जो कि सोफा के आगे है, वो है in front of. In the next picture we can find that the boy is standing behind the table and the Santa Claus is standing in front of table. So boy जो कि table के पीछे खड़ा है, that is behind, और Santa Claus जो कि table के आगे है, that is in front of. I hope so you all have loved this video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.